Hi there, this is Łukasz for Travel Geeks. We recently did an unboxing of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro during the event of Huawei releasing the Mate 20 series in London. And today we are actually unboxing the second device we have, which is the Mate 20 Pro, but the retail package. So yeah, we'll see what it looks like and give you our first impressions of that. So the box is as every Huawei box with actually limited detail on the packaging. So we'll just jump straight into opening the box. So here we are. And here's the beauty. Phone itself, which is a lovely device. We'll show you in a moment, but let's start with the box first. We have the SIM ejector, which we'll use in a moment. We have some instructions, a fast charger from Huawei, a USB cable and some headphones, and a headphone jack to USB-C connector. So that's all useful. For the pre-orders for the Mate 20 Pro, you will also get a wireless charger, but you have to wait I think 2 weeks until you get this delivered to you, together with the Huawei Watch GT. So we've got the beautiful Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which with its beautiful twilight color with a 3-lens setup. So we have a wide lens, which is 20 megapixel, 0.6, we have the zoom lens, which is a 3 times zoom and 8 megapixel, and we have the main camera, which is 40 megapixel. Okay, so let's turn it down.
It looks pretty much like the unboxing I did, apart from the no sale stickers.
Yeah, but I still didn't get a case, did I?
No, UK version, from what we understand, will not include any gel cases in the packaging.
We do have some cases though at Travel Geeks, so we'll test those out as well.
So let's have a look at the back, just for... wow. It's shiny.
We actually are filming this video on another Mate 20 Pro, so we're having a bit of a Mate inception in here. So you'll also be able to see how the camera works.
Yes, we filmed this on a Huawei Mate 20 Pro in 4K Ultra HD, and I've also been playing around with the zoom to focus on the actual action of the unboxing. Right, in terms of setup, this should be pretty much similar to what we saw with the original unboxing. Thanks for watching, everyone, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube to see more unboxings like these and our final review of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which will be a very in-depth one, especially now that we have 2 devices to review. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thanks.